So in 2024, instead of trying to become a full-time trader, aim to become profitable. Hello traders, stop thinking about to become a full-time trader. Instead of becoming a full-time trader, the goal should be becoming profitable. Hearing traders promoting how to become a full-time traders in a short amount of time is actually bringing you almost zero benefit if you become a full-time trader. Instead, if you focus on profitability in long run, it will actually be better for your mindset. If you focus to be profitable, it will improve your mindset and work towards a realistic goal. So today we're gonna simply share about the process of becoming a profitable trader, and also I'm gonna share about my trading journey from the start, the point I'm currently 7-figure funded with multiple firms and got over 6 figures of payouts. Let's start on to the 3 stage of becoming a profitable trader. So there's 3 stages of becoming a profitable traders: losing stage at first, and then break-even stage and profitable stage. Of course, everyone gonna be experiencing the losing stage, including me. So just a little story about how I started off trading. So I started off trading pretty much 8 years ago, that I got scammed into trading group that actually using offshore brokers that promoting luxury lifestyle to lure stupid youngster like me, right, to join back then. Right, eventually I got scammed and I couldn't even withdraw the profit that I made from the offshore broker. So that was how I started off in trading, how I get to know trading. So after that, the first 4 years of my trading journey was just on and off. I didn't really put much focus on my tradings. I went into working in my careers, and that's when the COVID kicks in, right? I started to put time into trading. I started to learn more about trading, but on that time I don't have the proper risk management yet, so I was blowing live account after live account and was losing a lot of money. I was losing quite a lot of my money at that point of time, and also part of my saving I lost it in trading. So I was actually in this losing stage, and right after that I started to apply risk management in my trading rules when I discovered prop firms, when we have FDMO, right, and then MyFF Cummings. I start to look into this prop firm journey to get funded, and also I still do trade my live account back then, and I was doing constant withdrawal, but I was not really aiming to flip my account. Where I get towards the break-even stage is when I first got funded with my FF back then. I started to get payout that covered my losses in the challenges, but I was not really profitable yet when I first getting the few payouts. So I was just in between this break-even stage and this losing stage. So I'm on the point of being break-even, and I'm the point of being negative in terms of my ROI. When I become profitable 2 years ago, the main key point is I started to look at realistic gain instead of trying to make crazy amounts of money or crazy amounts of gain in a short period of time. So I really look into what is realistic and can be consistently achievable in terms of months, and that's where I'm starting to be profitable and moving out from the break-even stage. So what's the key points for every traders when you are inside of any of these 3 phases? So when first we are inside a losing stage, I believe every traders will actually experience this. I don't believe any traders that can come in and just become profitable in their first few months of trading. Now, the key point when you are still losing is you don't want to lose too much money. All right, you might still be constantly losing here and there when you don't have the proper risk management, you don't find your edge yet, but don't lose too much money, right? Do not go on to loan for tradings or going in debt and try to go for trading. There's so many people trying to DM me to ask for money and promise to give it back later on when they start to make profit. So never try to go into debt when you are in trading. That's just gonna give you negative impact towards your psychology into trading, because you're gonna be trying to chase back what you have lost. During this journey, is also a lot depends of your financial plan. Do not go over the budget you're trying to spend on trading, and keep your living expenses away from trading. I see traders wanted to be a full-time trader, but there's actually no point to become a full-time trader, and you will just live based off trading, and you need to make profit to pay off your bills and your living expenses. And again, it's gonna give you a very bad psychology in trading, because you're gonna add in more stress when you are trading. Having a financial planning, even though you are in a losing stage, is very crucial. So you're gonna be controlling your budgets that you spend on trading. Do not revenge trade, as well as do not revenge spending. Spending in terms of what money you spend into trading, it can be depositing in your live account, or it can be buying a challenges. Do not revenge doing that. Try not to jump back in right away when you lose an account. So when you have less money lost to the market, when you don't have a proper risk management, or you don't have your strategy and trading plan built up, then you can be closer to break-even stage, because you didn't lose too much of money. That's why if you are on an entry level, if you are really a beginners, always spend wisely in terms of your budget. Always spend wisely in trading. It's always good to start small with small capital, or with a small challenges is fine. Do not go with a big account size right away when you are on a starting phase. At the point that when you have less money lost to the market, you are closer to the break-even stage, but you are starting to build up the trading experience. You are starting to build up your edge in trading, your trading plan, your strategy. The point that we start to make profit, then we're gonna be getting closer to our break-even stage in a shorter period of time to recover the loss. So let's say you lost a lot of money, you already at a worst losing stage. It's okay to give up, right? It's okay to give up. But so some trader, when they start to be profitable, when they are inside of this break-even stage, they need to be careful not to become euphoria, because that's where, you know, some traders gonna start to think, oh, I'm starting to make money, it's time for me to scale up to the moon, I need to make 30,000, 40,000 this month, right? Then they start to have this kind of unrealistic mindset during their break-even stage, as it happened to me, because once I lost 39k profit that I supposed to withdraw, but ended up I'm losing the funded account, right? That's actually inside of my another video as well. So at the break-even stage, right, we really need to look into the realistic gain in long term. So the breakthrough point from break-even stage to profitable stage is staying disciplined and staying consistent, right? From here, that's where you can become profitable when you already break even. So focus on realistic gain and consistently apply the rules on your trading, and stay disciplined in terms of your risk management, in terms of your trading time. That's where the breakthrough from break-even stage to the profitable stage that happens on my trading journey. And of course, in any stages, we need to still keep track on the financial planning. Do not overspend in trading, and have partials of the profit made back to reinvest into trading. It can be reinvestment to scaling up your capital, reinvestment into platform journey, or reinvest to a live account on your own. Now let's talk about leveraging OPM. Leveraging other people's money. As a trader, I think we all started off, we want to flip our account to the moon. We have $1,000 account, $100 account, we try to flip it 100,000, 1 million, which is pretty much impossible unless you are trading a marketing account. Alright, so When you really know how real estate gain works, all right, what is real estate in trading in the long period of times, then that's where you started off to looking into proper risk management and what's achievable in long term. But how can we scale up with our limited money, our limited source of capital to the market is through leveraging others people money. So in this trading era, it's actually lucky for us to have prop firms around that we can leverage the skill set with prop firms capital at the end of the day. So that's two ways of leveraging others people money. It can towards investor funds that which you need a longer track performance record to actually attract investor to invest in you so that you can have a bigger capitals and earn from profit split. In the other hand, when we have preference where you can just prove your skill set with your risk management with prop firm designated rules as soon as getting funded in terms of weeks or in terms of months. It's outdated for you to think about to flip your small account in 2024. Alright, anyone that try to tell you flip your account to this, that amount, at some point they're just gonna stop flipping. Alright, it's not realistic at the end of the day. So to acquire these investor funds or to acquire prop firm capital, you need proper risk management, you need suitable strategy, not the best strategy, but the strategy that suits you, the solid trading plan and track performance, right? Track performance can be your trading record for 6 months or 3 months for investor funds. For prop firm, is basically how you pass the evolution and acquired your funded account. That's about it for today's video. In the upcoming videos, I'm gonna share more about the strategy that I use in my trading. So stay tuned for the next video.